In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows Update failing in Windows 11. Start with the first fix by opening Start from the bottom center of the taskbar. Click Settings, the gear icon. In the left sidebar, click System. Scroll down through the System page and click Troubleshoot. Then click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run. Windows will now scan for update-related problems and try to repair them automatically. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen. If Windows asks you to apply a fix, go ahead and apply it. If it asks for a restart, allow that. Wait for the scan to fully complete. When the results appear, review what Windows found and whether the issues were fixed. Click Close. Now stay in Settings and go to Windows Update. Once that page opens, click Check for Updates. Give Windows a moment to search again and see if the update will now download normally. If the update is still failing, move to the second fix and reset the Windows Update components. Click Start again on the taskbar. In the search bar, type CMD. When command prompt appears in the results, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. If the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the first command carefully, net stop bits, then press Enter. This stops the background intelligent transfer service, which Windows Update uses. On the next line, type net stop WUA user v. Press Enter. This stops the main Windows Update service. Then type net stop crypt SBC and press Enter. This stops the cryptographic services used during update verification. Next, enter the command shown on your screen to rename the update cache folder, then press Enter. This step forces Windows Update to rebuild that folder with fresh files. After that, enter the command shown on your screen to rename the Catcher2 folder, and press Enter. This resets another important update-related folder used during the update process. Now start the services back up one by one. Type netstart bits, then press Enter. Type netstart WUA user v, then press Enter. Type netstart crypt SVC, then press Enter. Each service should report that it started successfully. Once all three commands have completed, close command prompt. Restart your computer, then try Windows Update again. If the issue continues, use the third fix to repair system files with DISM and SFC. Right-click the Windows button on the taskbar. Click Terminal Admin. If the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. In the terminal window, enter the DISM command shown on your screen, or use the pinned comment if that is what you are following, and then press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. This scan repairs the Windows component store, and it can take several minutes. When it finishes, you should see the message, "The restore operation completed successfully." Now type the next command exactly as follows, sfc/scan now, then press Enter. This will scan all protected system files and repair any corrupted files it finds. Let the scan run until it reaches 100%. When it finishes, you should see either Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, or Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Close the terminal window. Restart your computer, and then retry Windows Update. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the update still will not install, move to the fourth fix, and use the Windows Update Recovery Reinstall option. Click Start on the taskbar, then open Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. Scroll down and click Recovery. On the Recovery page, look for the section called Fix Problems using Windows Update. Under that section, click Reinstall Now. A confirmation window will appear. Check the box to agree, then click OK to confirm. Windows will now download a fresh copy of Windows 11 through Windows Update and reinstall it while keeping your files, apps, and settings in place. This process can take 15 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed, so wait for it to finish completely. After the reinstall is done, your Windows Update components will be fully reset. Now go back to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. The update that was failing before should now download and install successfully. If the first fix did not solve the problem, work through the remaining fixes in order until Windows Update installs normally.